Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to access and use Midjourney. So Midjourney is a AI program that allows you to generate images from text descriptions. Midjourney doesn't have any free plans, unfortunately. So its subscription plan starts from the basic plan, which is $10 per month, right up to the mega plan. So most people will be on the basic plan. So either you pay $10 US per month, or you go on the cheaper route and pay $96 for the year, which would be $8 per month. Okay, so let's see how we can access Midjourney. So currently Midjourney doesn't have a dedicated app. We use Discord, or they use Discord to access that. So Discord is just a free app that you can install on your computer. So once that's installed, you then connect to the Midjourney server by searching for it under Explore servers, and then you type the Midjourney name here, and then the icon for Midjourney is this boat type icon here. So once you're connected to Midjourney, going back to the Midjourney server, since I'm already connected, you have different sort of groups here. Okay, since I just created my account a few days ago, I'm allowed to post in the newcomer room. So the newcomer room, we've got a couple of chat rooms here where we can chat, or we can create our images. So one thing I like about Midjourney, the way it's set up, is that we can see other people's prompts as well. So prompt is basically a description or a question of what you want the AI to create. Okay, so let's see Midjourney in action. So firstly, I'll go over to a newbie chat room. I'll just select newbie 9 here, and then I'll type in the / and once I do that, I see all the key words appearing here. So in order to create an image, I'll use the imagine keyword, ask the questions, etc. So I want to create an image, so I'm just going to type the /, write the keyword imagine, and then as soon as I press the tab, the Midjourney chatbot will indicate that that's when I can write my prompt. So I've already written my prompt. I'll just copy and paste it in. Just paste my prompt in. The cloth is painted with coconut palm collage pattern with some texture, illustration style. Okay, let's go. So now Midjourney bot is creating the image for me. Let's just wait for it to do that. It's working on the image. Okay, as soon as it's done, you get a sort of a prompt, and the image has been created. One thing with the chat rooms is that you've got other people prompting as well, so you'll have to sort of scroll up to see your image. Okay, so the image has been created. So what Midjourney does is that it proposes to us 4 different types of images. So under the image, you have UI 1 through to 4 and V1 to 4. So UI simply means that if you want to zoom on a selected image. So 1, we're starting from the left hand side, so that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. V stands for the different variations of the image that you'd like Midjourney to create. So for now, for example, I'd like to do different variations of the 4th image. So I'll select V4. So that simply tells Midjourney to give me different variations of the 4th image. So let's see what it's going to give us. We'll have to scroll down. So it's working on our prompt. So it's the same prompt with a variation of, and then it gives the, sorry, that wasn't mine. And then it gives the additional prompt to modify the prompt, to give us the different variations of the selected image. Okay, so the image has been created. We receive a prompt. Let's scroll down. So now it has given us 4 variations of the selected image. Okay, so depending on the image, you can sort of iterate and select V3 if you want a different variation of whatever image, and you can go on and on. For now, let's say I'm happy with the image that it has given me, and I'd like to do an upscale on the first image. So I'll just select UI to identify the first image. Okay, I just selected that and it's going to go on to select the image. So it's already done that. Okay, so now we've upscaled on that. Once we have the selected image, we've also got some different options that we can do as well to sort of enhance the image. Okay, so for example, I'd like to upscale creative. So it goes on and does its thing to sort of improve the image and all that. So it's working on that prompt. Okay, it's still working on it, 15%. 93%, and it's done. Okay, so let's have a look at the image. Oh, that's a really beautiful image. Let's see, what else can we do with the image? You can continue to upscale, or you can do whatever changes that you want to it. So that's the iterative process that you can go through to improve the image. So let's say I'm happy with the image, and from there I'll just select the image and then I'll save. So basically that's how you create images in Midjourney, by giving it a prompt, and it will create the images for you. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value in this video. If so, please consider supporting the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.